Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of July, 2025, our system has classified the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 7.86. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a loss of 25.77%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.95% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but false breakouts and sell-offs may occur. However, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, which is $15.98, are considered a second chance to exit the position. According to the fan theory, $11.40 may represent the new bottom line of the next trend. But it is too early to confirm this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 18.46% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 17% to positive 6.82%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 23.43%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 37.24% to positive 75.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $9.85 and $27.53. Our latest daily update for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund highlights the question: is the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF still a buy after experiencing a decline of 7.32% on Thursday? The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF's price dropped by 7.32% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, falling from $16.94 to $15.70. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 3.14%, with a daily low of $15.61 and a daily high of $16.10. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, reflecting a decline of 13.83% during this period. While the trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, it occurred amidst falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that risk may slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 11 million shares were traded for approximately $176,760,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $46.50, while the lowest price was $15.61. Currently, the price stands at 66.24%, or $30.80, below the 52-week high of $46.50, which is also the all-time high for this ETF. MSTY is an income-first exchange-traded fund that employs a synthetic long position on MicroStrategy along with aggressive covered call and put sales to generate substantial and frequent cash distributions. Recent headlines have highlighted astonishing yield claims and significant short-term payouts alongside reports of both triple-digit nominal returns from distributions and sharp price declines. This structural setup reveals an intriguing paradox. Enticing yields draw in buyers and create short-term buying support, even as the fund's share price lags behind the underlying MicroStrategy stock and remains highly influenced by the volatility of Bitcoin. In the short term, Generous distributions and the pursuit of yield can lead to inflows and occasional rallies, providing a cushion against downside risks. However, over the medium and long term, repeated limitations on upside potential due to call writing, erosion of option premiums, and underperformance compared to direct exposure to MicroStrategy can lead to redemptions. This, in turn, may compress the fund's market price and net asset value, particularly if Bitcoin or MicroStrategy experience a downturn. The overall effect presents a trade-off. Investors seeking income and willing to endure volatility must accept limited upside potential and increased tail risk. The following signals have been identified for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $16.88 and $19.45. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 11, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 19.03%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots reflected a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 20 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average indicated a sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average also reflected a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 151 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund. Currently, there is no support from accumulated trading volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines over the next few days. It typically exhibits average daily movements, and with decent trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated by 490 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to 3.14%. Throughout the last week, the average daily volatility for the fund has been 3.72%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF is at $16.62. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the ETF could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. We currently have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and have not established a stop-loss. Is YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF a good buy? YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend. Therefore, we believe it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we expect YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF to open higher by approximately 10 cents, starting at a price of $15.80. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.